In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change LinkedIn language. If you want to use LinkedIn in a different language, the good news is that the process is very quick and easy. This can be helpful if you prefer browsing in your native language, if you're learning a new one, or if you simply want the platform to feel more comfortable and familiar while you use it. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on your homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen and find the Me icon. This is the profile menu where LinkedIn keeps several account and preference options. Go ahead and click on that Me icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the language option and select it. This will take you to the language setting LinkedIn uses for your interface. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on whether you're using a different device or browser. Once you've opened the language setting, click on the drop-down menu. You'll see a list of available languages that LinkedIn supports. Scroll through the list if needed and choose the language you want to use. Make sure to click the correct option, especially if there are similar regional versions of the same language. As soon as you select your preferred language, LinkedIn will update the interface to match your choice. Menus, navigation labels, and other platform text should now appear in that language. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or waiting a few seconds for the setting to apply. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn language. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your experience feels on the platform. If you ever want to switch back or try another language later, you can follow the exact same process again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.